Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track out of a 73 Chrysler Imperial LeBaron. It is now an AM-FM 8-track with Bluetooth and a heck of a lot more output power, and so I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get. So let's go ahead and turn it on.
County Juvenile Detention Center in Prescott on charges
We're going
of
to test our
burglary,
balance and
criminal
fader
damage, and trespassing.
functions
On
with our
examining the
speaker
scene,
level
an
meters.
investigating deputy
Okay,
learned
balance
the suspect
right,
proceeded to destroy the interior of the home.
balance
The
left,
juvenile mails through paint on the walls, the
right,
stove, the dishwasher, and floors.
left.
The floors were littered with
Okay,
broken
and
tile
center
and
them.
glass from broken light
Okay,
fixtures.
now we're going to adjust
Most of
our
the
front rear
appliances were
fader.
damaged or destroyed. Almost every wall and floor
Front
had
rear
some
fader.
degree of damage done to the
Fader adjust.
Okay, all the way
You might
front,
get a trick not a treat if you
all the way
decide to
rear,
drive impaired Halloween weekend.
front,
The Tri-City
rear.
DUI Task Force, which
Okay,
includes the
center
Prescott,
them.
Prescott Valley, and Chino Valley
Fader
fader is
set.
set.
County Sheriff's
Okay, let's
Office
move
and
over to
the Arizona
FM.
Department of Public Safety will participate in DUI saturation patrol.
Okay, there's our FM, and we'll just go down the dial.
Es verdad que
Don't need
he
this stuff
hablado
anymore.
alguna otra vez en el monasterio.
In your heart. Promise me.
Designate a driver or call for a ride.
Would ban the sale of new gasoline. Parked cars in Bridgeport Wednesday.
Okay, let's go ahead and test the 8-track. We've got some Neil Sedaka here. Okay, gonna switch tracks a bunch of times.
Hurry on up, waste no time. Oh, honey, won't you say your
Okay, at the end of a song there. Turn it up between songs. Got no crosstalk. That's because I know how to adjust the head.
I go squealing and I screeching and I couldn't sleep at night.
Okay, gonna eject the tape. Okay, and the one thing we didn't try is the Bluetooth, so let's make sure that goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so now we know the Bluetooth is working, and there was no dial light with the unit that may be attached to the faceplate. This is the FM stereo light. This unit may not even have a dial light. I don't see any room to put one in, but I did go ahead and provide the wire. The orange wire connects to the dial lighting. In case the radio does have a dial light, you can connect the orange wire to that. So that takes care of that. The unit is fully working on all functions, and she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you've just seen what I can do to an old ancient AM 8-track. I can turn it into an AM-FM 8-track with Bluetooth, and depending on customers' desires, we can do USB, HD radio, and who knows what else. And incidentally, this unit also has my cool little master input-output box that the customer requested. This has your 4-channel preamp outputs, left, right, front, and rear preamp outs, an unpowered subwoofer output, and then there's your aux input. It's all handy on one easy-to-reach box, and so that takes care of that. So you can reach me for service by visiting the website in the description below, and by printing a work order, which will answer all your questions about my options, prices, and turn times. The turn times are on page 9 of the work order. Do not ask me how long it's going to take. Make that choice on page 9 of the work order, and that's how it's done. So thanks so much for watching and listening. And this comes from Paul in Thornton, Colorado. So thank you very much, Paul, for your business all the way from Colorado. And we'll see you guys next time.